it's good. It's been really, really good. It's been like a boost for our business for sure.
Keeps us busy.
Yes, yes. Keeps us very busy. I think the bowls, the acai bowls, but the sandwiches have been pretty popular as well. But definitely the bowls.
I would agree with
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
We had some Western students that worked here that first brought it up, and we just thought it was a great idea.
Yeah.
It got started because I did a Whole30 and felt amazing, and it was hard back then to find food that was Whole30 compatible. So I just started making recipes, and people were asking me for food, then they started buying food, then that became a business. It's kind of an accidental business in a good way.
Of the menu here, my favorite is the chickpea grape salad. I just had that for lunch today, so.
And my favorite is the monkey business acai bowl, add strawberries.